Yo, what's up everybody, Arie here, and in today's video, as the title suggests, I'm going to be giving you some product category ideas for actual winning products that are completely trending and popping off right now, in the hopes that it'll give you a ton of business ideas and a good place to direct your focus to when it comes to actually building a business online, and particularly with e-commerce. So obviously this isn't my usual setting. I'm in Cancun right now with my girlfriend because, as you see on my screen, we're gonna go over a few of these trends real briefly. We wanna just make this as value condensed as possible. And yeah, I love you guys. I really love how much we're growing on the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet and you're enjoying the content, make sure that you subscribe for more. The first thing is compression boots. So as you see from this trend right here, compression boots are a trend that is continuously rising. Now, obviously, this will be great to take advantage of right now in the winter time. Winter is when people mostly wear boots, and we are still in winter, right? And the cool thing about this is that if you're in a different country, there's always somewhere where there's winter going on. So you can use that to your advantage and create different locations, or at least different stores that target a different location. So that's the first one. And there's a brief explanation here. I don't want to read it right now. It's just going to take too long, but you can pause the video and read this real quick. The next one is surprisingly portable blenders. So it's funny, portable blenders have been around for at least a few years now. There's BlendJet, that's one of the biggest companies in this space. BlendJet is completely popping off, and obviously, as you see, I'm in Mexico, so it shows the price in pesos, but it's crazy how long they've been around. And what's even crazier is just how powerful the niche continues to be. It just does not die down. It continues to go up. So it's not a bad place to start a business, especially, let's say, if you take a unique angle. Let's say, like, if you go after fitness people, or after, let's say, supplement people, or even after entrepreneurs, right? Like, entrepreneurs want to be healthy. So creating a portable blender that's catered to them could be a great idea. Now, the next one is one I'm really excited about, is walking pad treadmills. So walking pads are just one of the hottest trends right now. It's almost like pickleball, and it makes sense why, right? I mean, more people are spending time at home. I'm one of those people, right? I actually thought about getting a walking treadmill because they seem convenient if you want to get your steps in at home. A lot of data is coming out proving that, getting a lot of steps in regularly does make your life better, and it makes you healthier, makes you live longer, etc. So these are all amazing angles that you can use for a business in this space. And one of the things that I want to recommend real quick, in this Discord server, somebody mentioned this, but it's this right here. So thinking of a customer avatar and figuring out their main pain points, how they speak, their slang, that's all going to be incredible stuff for actually marketing your product. I mean, this is some of the things that I study mainly, right? Since I run a performance agency called Akemi. If you're a business doing 40K or more a month, you can check us out in the description. We have some incredible 7 and 8 figure clients. So we learn a lot. And my point here is that a lot of times it's not necessarily about the specific product. That's not always the best way to build a business, but instead to think of a pain point, to think of a problem or a person, right? A customer avatar, and create a product or find a product that solves a sort of problem in their lives, right? So that's a hugely important thing. And let's just move on to the next one. That's kind of all I had to say about the walking pad. This one is one I'm super excited about as well. A monitor light bar. So this looks so cool. I don't know if you've ever seen these before, but these are trending really hard right now. So a monitor light bar, as you see, is something not a lot of people are looking into, but it's in terms of selling products. But as far as buying products in demand, you can see there is a ton of demand for this product. Again, this is one I can relate to, right? Because I got a monitor set up, and at night, sometimes I don't want all my lights on, but I don't want it to just be super dark. So it would be nice to just have a monitor light. And this would fit right in with that. So you could create a store around this. You could go after gamers. You could go after anime people. You could go after people that love to watch movies on their computer. Who knows? But again, the riches are in the niches. That's a popular saying, and it's because that's how you're going to have a competitive advantage, by targeting a group of people. So keep that in mind. And again, one thing I want to mention is you can use AI to help you with all these things, ChatGPT, etc. Somebody in the Akemi Discord actually posted this website called futuretools.io. I can make another full video talking about it, but it's really interesting. You can actually filter by different AI tools that people are building. It's interesting. All of these are either on Stable Diffusion or OpenAI's API, but either way, it's kind of cool to see just like how many tools are coming about nowadays. So use all these to your advantage, and obviously use the Akemi Discord to your advantage as well. Another thing I wanted to announce real quick is our launch of the Shopify Brand Starter Kit. So as you guys know, I've been partnered with Shopify for a long time. I'm part of their coaching program. So Akemi has an official partnership with Shopify, and we are now doing a starter kit where we basically created an optimized Shopify template that we send you along with a extensive list of content that's going to help you use it. It's going to help you market your business, and it's just going to be a really great way to save some time if you're too lazy to build out a store on your own, or you just don't have the technical or design skills to actually make it look good and high converting. That's what this product is made for. It's $50. It's super affordable, and it's like that for a reason, right? I wanted to make sure that whoever buys it has a commitment, so that's why you have to pay something. But we don't want to make it $1,000, just I would rather you use that money to actually grow your business. But that's really about it, guys. The last thing I want to leave you with is, again, from the Discord server. This is great. It's something that my team member Zach posted here, which I love. It's just this chart showing what 1% better every day can compound to, but also what 1% decline looks like over time. So this is something you got to keep in mind, guys. It's one of the most powerful charts, in my opinion, because you don't really ever think about the small little incremental movements that happen in your life from every action that you take. Now, obviously, don't get too overwhelmed and be like crazy about every single sort of action to start, but do something every single day that's going to get you further towards your goal. Okay, that's basically what I wanted to say. And yeah, that's about it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I enjoyed making it. I'll be here for the next few days, so get used to this new setup. It's kind of cool, I guess. Yeah, I'll see you guys later.